This is the Mocha Collector's Edition. Includes a set exclusive hot knife and a travel case to stash it all in. This is an SMS only drop, chat. It's not gonna go live. It's also extremely limited. This is going to sell out. Let me show you exactly what's going to sell out. This is probably one of my favorite things we've made. I would put this in top 5, maybe even top 3 classiest things we've done. This is for the real hoity-toity types. This is for my tea drinkers with a pinky in the air. You know what I mean? This is for my pocket watch gang, okay? This is what it comes with. You get your Mocha travel case. This thing is luxurious. You want to take a bite out of this chocolatey, beautiful looking thing, okay? Pop it open. What do you have in here? You have obviously your charging cable. All right, you got that chocolatey inside. Don't bite it. Don't get too high and start trying to eat it, okay? It looks good, but it's not chocolate. It's silicone. Boom. Then you have this absolutely gorgeous, that beautiful, dark, bronzy, chocolatey button. Gotta unlock it. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. And then what else do we have in here? Is that it? I can't tell. Oh, in the darkness lies a secret. A chocolatey Mocha hot knife as well. That's right. Now, chat, just so we know here, this is everything it comes with, right? You're getting the travel case, you're getting the pivot, and you're getting the hot knife. Those are the 3 things that this comes with, all right? Now, the travel case, which to me is one of the best parts of this, like we made a bunch of hot knives. We haven't made a bunch of pivots. This is really beautiful. But this travel case is only available in the bundle. That's it. You can get the pivot. We'll be making more of these in the future. You can get it. But this right here, this, if you want this, the only way to get it is to get the whole bundle. Again, it's only available to our SMS subscribers. Let me just go through this. Right here. There we go. Locked in. This is what it's looking like. Boom. Popping it open. You're already used to this. That's what a pivot looks like on the inside. And there you have it, guys. Yo, honestly, this is a beautiful piece. All jokes aside, I really think this is one of the more beautiful ones we've done. Nobody's gonna see this on the table and think, these people are taking dabs and getting high. It just looks like a beautiful case. On the inside, absolutely stunning. To me, this is the prettiest pivot we've ever done. If you're into fancy, nice things, I think you're going to love it. If you have brown things in your life, like if you're a Louis Vuitton fan, if you happen to have a brown outfit, I think you're going to love this. And it doesn't matter if you do or you don't, because we only made a very small amount of it and it is guaranteed going to sell out. If you're interested in this, don't sleep, don't wait. There's a chance it might not make it to Friday. There's a chance it'll be around for a week or so, but please do not sleep on this. And I know our employees are hoping you do, because we're giving first access to our consumers. We're not letting our employees buy this just yet. This is dropping on its own, chat. The Mocha pivot will be available. The Mocha hot knife will be available. It's just the travel case that you have to buy the whole bundle to get it. And there's only a few of those, but there will be plenty of Mochas in the future. I would argue that this is the best hitting device at the price point it is at, period. You won't find a vape pen at this price point that hits better. You probably won't find a knockoff e-rig at this price that hits better than this little pocketable device. Highly recommend. I think it's one of the best things Puffco has ever done. Yeah, you're right. Time to rip this. Ever. I'm gonna do this on red, chat. Pivot hits, bro. The pivot fucking hits.
This is such satisfying, baby.